Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. I'm back for another presentation. Hold on, I'm a little tired. Let me wake up.
Hey! Yo, going on? It's your boy Naeem back here for another presentation on system analysis and design, or SAD for short. But this presentation will make you anything else but sad, am I right? Yo, what's wrong with you, dog? We here for a presentation, not for some skit. Dog, that's why I'm telling you, why you gotta be so extra, G? You want to talk about me being extra? Ain't that serious? That's what I'm saying. It's always some kind of skit, like Neil gonna give any man. Neil ain't wanna see this. He wants you to get to the point, to be concise. You know, what we supposed to know? What is on? Software analysis and design, right? Yes, tell us something. Tell us something we don't know. I want to be intrigued. Okay, you want to know something? I'll talk about something. Let's talk about problem definition. Problem definition is an examination of factors such as the needs of the user, the origin of the issue, and if the program will be compatible to fit both. Yeah, it's the first step in the software development cycle. That's pretty much it. It was kind of interesting, ain't gonna lie. But I ain't trying to hear all hey, looking at this panel could get me. You got a real punchable face, you know, like I could never be born with a face like y'all. Like, whew. Right? If I had my web shooters as a flip, you know what I'm saying? Flip, shut them up. I don't want to see that. We have the same face. What's wrong with my face? I'm actually handsome. But look, I'm tired of getting bullied by y'all. Like, I'm tired of getting bullied in real life. I might as well just become an animated Hold on. What? Give me a second.
Alright, okay, yeah, I'm liking this. I am liking this. This feels so much better in my way. I mean, I'm kind of in a white void alone, but, you know, it's better than being with those guys. Anyway, let's continue next on the list in the software development cycle, a feasibility study. This study helps to answer the question if the conditions are optimal to create a particular project. A feasibility study is when you gather data from the public using survey tools to solve problems. Software engineers use a 5-point model, TELOS. What, you never heard of it? Let me explain. There is T for technical, E for economic, L for legal, O for operational, and S for schedule. Alright, let's go to the next step, analysis. Alright, as you see on the screen right now, it shows the elements of the analysis model. The scenario-based elements represent the user's point of view. The class-based elements represents the objects, attributes, and relationships in the program. Behavioral elements represent how the system is changed by external factors. And flow-oriented elements show how information flows through the system. Next up is design/construction. A software design description is a piece of descriptive writing from the software designer so that the software development team can come on, get these words right. No, I don't got corona. The software development team can be guided on how to create the software. Software construction is the detailed creation of working software through a combination of coding, verification, unit testing, integration testing, and debugging. Speaking of testing, software testing is when software engineers analyze and evaluate the program to make sure that it is fit for the required task. Software implementing is strategically finding a way to integrate the software into a system or service, and software maintenance is to make sure that after the software becomes live, it is regularly updated and analyzed for bugs, etc. Okay, story time. So I went on a trip last year around June, July, and I went to Colorado, and I got to go to the Colorado State University of Business from the Global Business Academy, and we had an exercise to create a product based on a problem we'd all agree on, right? So then we had to pitch it to random people on the street as a feasibility study, and if it didn't work, we'd have to go and change our idea and do and repeat until we got it. And if the project was well received, we moved into the prototyping stage. Speaking of moving, let's get to a different setting. Give me 1 second. Alright, I'm liking this design. Well, okay, let's talk about the steps in prototyping. Let's go. Step 1, analysis gathering. A prototyping model must start with requirement analysis. This is the phase when needs of the system are vividly described for its use and what are the expectations people have for the system. Step 2, quick design. The second phase of prototyping, where an unfinished version of the system is made. This is done to give an idea of how the system will operate and be. This is not the actual prototype. Step 3, building the prototype. In this phase, the actual prototype is designed based on the information from the quick design.
Yo, had to pop back into the real world for this one. Step number 4, user evaluation. This is when the prototype is presented to the client for an initial evaluation. This is so that the software engineer can find out the strengths and weaknesses of their prototype and for them to take in any suggestions and comments on the system.
Step 5, refining the prototype. In phase 5, if the client is not happy with the current prototype, it has to be refined according to the client's feedback. Unfortunately, if you keep getting that version of the prototype wrong, then you'll be stuck at this phase until the requirements are met. Sucks, right? Yeah, I know.
Hey, now it's time to reach the final step, step number 6. And that's after you failed to meet the client's needs, but now you finally got it and the prototype is what they're looking for. You can go and proceed to creating the final product. Yo, animated me. Let's finish this up, shall we?
Alright, I mean, you're telling me to continue and you couldn't even continue to animate me properly. My mouth isn't even moving.
Hey, you can't be saying them things.
Fine, whatever. Anyways, let's, wrap this whole presentation up. And now I have a diagram. Wait, I think it was here. Hold on, I'm trying to get it. You thought it was there, but we here now. Yeah, I know. You couldn't forget about us, but you thought you could just escape. No, go into an animated world without us. But look, I here now. We here now. Hold on. Yeah. What you on my back, bro? But don't worry about it on your back, dog. Relax. Anyway, so let me get on this guy.
All right, talk to him.
Your fit is trash. Mm-hmm. Your animation is whack. Your hair is whack.
Talk to him.
Wait. Whoa, okay. He got a sword.
2 swords to be precise.
Yeah, I think we should dip. See you.
Yeah, we all. See you.
Lord. Okay. Here's a diagram to back up my statements on the development stages of programming. I'll give you a while to take it in. I mean, it is a lot. So, yeah. How was your day? Oh, I'm not supposed to be. I'm supposed to be quiet in this section. Okay, got you. All right, that's long enough. Let's go back to the real world.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that presentation, including you, Mr. Neil. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna show you guys my references, and I'll be out, and I'll see you next time we do one of these. Bye. Oh, presentation supposed to finish?